let me know. Yeah. So in the given figure here, what are all the values he has given? So he has saying that AC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 5 centimeters, and the angle made is 30 degrees. So he has given a triangle and he is asking us to find the area of the triangle. Right. Farah, what are the things he has given? Can you please let me know? Given. What are the values he has given?
AC equal to 6 centimeters.
Yes.
AB equal to 5 centimeters.
AB is equal to 5 centimeters and
angle BAC equal to 30 degrees.
Right, 30 degrees. Okay, these are the three things what he has given. Right, what is asking us to find? What is asking us to find, Farah?
He's asking us to find area of triangle.
Right, area of triangle. What is the area of the triangle? What is the name of the figure? ABC. Is it clear? Now let us go for construction. Right, why? Because or before going to the construction, let us go for this one. We know that area of a triangle. Farah, can you please tell me what is the area of any triangle?
Half into base into height.
Yeah, half into base into height. This is the formula what we are planning to use to find that area of a triangle. So in that triangle, we don't know the base and we don't know the height. Right, we don't know the base and we don't know the height. So height means, and also base means somewhere it should be a right angle triangle, but it is not given right there that it is a right angle triangle. So to make it a right angle triangle, let us do some construction. Right, we are doing some construction part so that we can convert to the given triangle in terms of a right angle triangle. So for the sake of construction, we are drawing a straight line. Right, that is the straight line what I have planning to do. Right, so this is what, draw. Farah, what is the line we have drawn?
BD.
BD. How we are planning to draw? Perpendicular to AC. This is what we are given. We are drawing BD, right, perpendicular to AC. We have done. Now, as it is a right angle triangle, now, as it is a right angle triangle, as it is a right angle triangle, Farah, can you please tell me which is the height now? Which becomes the height of the triangle?
Height is equals to BD.
Yes. Right, height. Which is the height? Height, can I call it as BD is the height?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And do you know the height?
No, sir.
So let us call it as H. Right. Now, which becomes the base?
AD.
Entire AC, which is nothing but 6 centimeters. Okay, right. Now we need to find the height. Okay, to find the height, right, we are planning to find the height. To find the height, consider the triangle. I like to consider triangle ABD. This is the triangle I like to consider. Right, so let us take it as so and so. Let us take it as so and so, and I am taking this. This is the triangle what I am taking. I like to call it as B, I like to call it as D, and I like to call it as A. Obviously, angle D is equal to 90 degrees according to the construction, and angle A is equal to 30 degrees, right? And we need to find H, and it is already given 5 centimeters. I'm considering. Farah, in triangle ABC, angle D is equal to how much?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. How did we get? Did he give or did we construct?
We construct.
Therefore, we have to call it as by construction. right? By construction, we got as 90. And the next one, what is angle A?
Angle A equal to 30 degrees.
Right. Is it given by him or did you get it by construction?
Given.
It is given. So there are two angles, right? 90 degrees and 30 degrees. 90 degrees, it is because of our construction, and 30 degrees is given by him. Right. Now, right, we will see from where we are going to, we are assuming from 30 degrees. Farah, from 30 degrees, hypotenuse which is required, which side it is becoming? Shall I call it as opposite?
Yes, sir.
Now, from that 30 degrees, the given one, whatever is given, right, which side it is becoming?
Hypotenuse.
Yes. So, opposite and hypotenuse. Here our target is to find the value of H. Right. So, Farah, can you please tell me what is the trig ratio which is connecting opposite side and hypotenuse?
Sin theta.
Yeah. So, consider sin theta. Sin theta. What is the meaning of sin theta, Farah?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Yes. Now we have taken the perfect trig ratio to find the value of H. Now let us substitute the values. Right? Theta is equal to how much?
30 degrees.
30 degrees. What is opposite side? Is it BD?
Yes, sir.
Hypotenuse AB. Now let us substitute the magnitudes. What is sin 30, Farah? It's 1/2. BD, we don't know, that is H. And AB is nothing but 5. Now let us cross multiply that one, and H we are getting it as 5/2 centimeters. Right? Height, which is nothing but BD, we got that it as 5 centimeters. Okay, but actual purpose, we need to find the area of the triangle ABC. Right? So let us find the area of the triangle here. Right? I'm drawing a line so that you can understand better. Now let us find now area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC as given by the question. So formula is half into base into height. This is the formula of the entire triangle. Farah, what it is becoming the base, which is the base of the entire figure?
AD.
Yes. Now the actual figure, actual base is nothing but AC, and height. Height, how much you got, Farah?
5/2.
Yeah. So AC is the actual base. The total thing is nothing but the base here. Right? Base is AC and height is BD. Now, as we know all the values, let us start substituting in that one. So half into base is nothing but 6 centimeters, and height, how much you got?
5/2.
Now let us simplify that one. So if you multiply 1 into 6 into 5, it is nothing but 30, and 4, right, divided, it's 4 centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square. Now 30/4, it is nothing but 7.5, and we can write that centimeter square as square centimeter. So what is the area we are getting, for a
7.5 centimeter. Square centimeter.
centimeter? Right? So guys, this is how we are finding the area of the triangle. Though it is not a right angle triangle, by construction, we are making it as a right angle triangle by utilizing all the concepts what are given. Hope you are able to understand.